Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem eBay gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to redeem eBay gift card, first, you can open up a web browser and log into www.ebay.com. Or if you have an app installed on your mobile devices, simply tap open the app. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are, you'll see this kind of an interface. In order to redeem your gift card for eBay, you can go ahead and select a product online that you'd like to buy and redeem it in the checkout page. Add a product or two in your shopping basket. You can do that by tapping on Add to Basket option right under the product that you've selected. Now click on Go to Basket and you'll be able to end up in this page here in this page. Check if everything's alright and tap on Go to Checkout button. Now from this page scroll down to find gift cards, coupons, eBay box option over here and type in your eBay gift code into the text box where it says enter a code. Your eBay gift code number will be available at the back of your gift card. Simply remove the metallic strip at the back of your gift card and reveal the gift code number. Now simply typing the gift code number into the text box and finally tap on the Done button at the bottom of the screen. You can also scan your gift code by tapping on the camera button and align the gift card inside the box, which will automatically scan your gift card number. Finally, after you are done, you will be able to redeem your gift card right away for eBay. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up as soon back as more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.